So over here you can see that I got two layers right here and they are individual. But let's say what I want to do is I want to merge these two layers right here. So over here you can see that this is the layer and there's this layer beneath it. So in order to merge it, all I need to do is right click, and over here you can see that merge down is an option. Click on it. Once you do that, it merges down with the layer beneath it, and now you can see that this is one single layer right here. So now if you want to merge out everything, let's say I'm just going to go around over here onto this particular object right here, and let me just go around and hide this out right here. So once I do that, I can go around and right click and I can merge down visible. That means everything that is visible gets merged out except for this one, because that it was not visible right here. But if you want to go around, so let's just go around and make it hidden, and if you want to merge down everything, then you can simply right click and you can see that you can simply click on flatten image, so everything is merged out. Let me just press Control that right here, or undo everything out right here, and you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can simply go around and then merge things out as you like. Apart from merging, you can also go around and duplicate the layers as you like. So to do that, you can right click on a particular layer and then you can go around and click on this button right here, and that duplicates it out, and you can see that there's a exact copy of the layer right here, just like this. And that is how you can merge and duplicate layers as you like inside of Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.